singing his song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet. Slow rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock 'em tonight.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another issue of the Country Bird Collection. Today we have the Meadow Pipit, issue number 50 from Eaglemoss Collection. So let's take a look inside here and get this out like so. Again, this reminds me of that little bird that we had before the Dunnock. This is very, very colourful. You've got, again, this lovely green bush. It's a very dark, nice number of green. And it's got some berries by the looks of it. Blueberries, I suspect. And smothered in blueberries. So it's probably a blueberry tree. Then it's sort of looking very timid, waiting to... It looks like it's going to jump off and go flying sort of thing. Or jet into the air and go for a fly. Again, very dark colours. You've got black and dark brown there. A lovely pointed beak there. A lovely browny bit there. And yeah, it's really colourful underneath. You've got a speckled chest here with light brown and yellow. And then mingling up to the throat and the trachea, you've got this lovely, what looks to be light yellow. So overall, that's a really, really lovely little bird there. And you've got some sort of tree log here. That's been the issue number 50, which is the Country Bird Collection, the Meadow Pipit. I hope you like that video. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to be notified of all the videos I do, from partworks to diamond paintings to figures and product reviews and all sorts. Do tap the bell notification and you can be notified of all the videos I do. Take care. Bye-bye.
All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet, rockin' Robin, tweet, tweet. Slow rockin' Robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock 'em tonight.